Hi, I'm Jan. Sound of speed. Speed of sound. The sound and speed is what putting people sleep and can wake as well. Example, just effects, more curious about effects. How it's affecting humanity. Simply if we're talking slow and nicely, people starting to feel calm, good. They wanna maybe go to sleep. Hypnotic system is coming on like that. But people fell asleep and they feel comfortable. They're very good. But no, let's put him speed up. Let's waken them up. Let's put in that all back in the track. There was the guy, Truman, Schumann, whatever his name was. He measured speed of Earth 7 point something, 38 or 83, I don't remember, Hertz. And then music makers and everybody, movie makers, sound is around 440. Sleeping pills. What's that all about? Are they missing something? Are they should be same speed? I don't know, guys. You figure out. Yeah, I know the people that we need to make people wake up people a little bit faster than what the heck? Speed up, bro. See, Earth's routing the measure. I don't know how they did that, but probably they have technology to measure that speed of Earth. And they measured 7 point. If they measured and we believe, then put the music as well back on all this 7 point. Slow by slow, not fast. Flying away. Already somebody flying there. Mars, I don't know where they're flying, but anyway, they're doing something like that. My key element is to ask effects, the speed, sound. I'm missing something again. Should be same my ideas. Wow, let's see. Smart asses get answer. Let's see what's going on. Are is getting back in the waking nation this new sound music? What can hertz can wake the people? Because they're sleeping. All right, I'm off.